Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Kumar. I've received this package today, so I'm just gonna open it up for you guys. As you can see, I've already opened it up. What else have we got in there? So you've got some Amazon crap in there. So what I've been waiting for, the Copic Ciao skin tones, and you also get a fine liner. So you've got the E43, the V91, the R20, the R00, the E00, and the 0.3mm fine liner. So, as you can see, it's just 5+1 set, so it's really 6. So I'm just going to quickly open it up, take out that here for you. Like that. Just going to quickly see these. The Copic multiliner 0.3 pigment ink, watercolor and Copic proof. So I'm just going to problem with my camera is it takes ages for it to focus in on something. So you've got the brush tip on one end, you can see there. On the other end you've got the chisel tip, which is on it says medium ruled, and on this side it says super brush. So yeah. I'm just gonna, as you can see, you can get mixed up on both of them, because normally you see that the right way up, so you normally just do that, but then you go, oh no, that's the wrong end. So what you have to do is close that end and close it that way. I keep doing that, and it's just really irritating for me. So yeah, just gonna smell it. That is quite strong, that smell. So that's the Copic Ciao skin tone, plus the fine liner. Okay, so welcome back. This is a drawing I did quite a while ago of Kid Goku, and I think it would be a great test to show off my Copic skin sets. So let's get going. I don't know why I always do that. Put the lid on top of the other side. It's just the way I am. Okay, so let's get going. This is E00 that I'm using. Now I'm going to just go back. Sorry. So now I'm going to just go back over it with a just go darker. It smells super strong as well. If you can hear screaming, don't worry. That's just next door. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, that was the E00. That one, and now I'm going to go over my R00. So, it's playing wrong. Just the R00, and I'm just going to go over it again. The bits where I'm going to shade. Look at that bit, I've got some there. The great thing about this is you don't need to press too hard down. You just glide it like a paintbrush, really. Just make the eyes just there. And if you want to just take up the R20, just kind of go underneath where the dark is of that really. So there's those arms there. Kind of bleeds for it. I guess this is not the paper you're supposed to use. This is normal A4 printing paper, and I've done a little test just on there. There I've mixed the E00 and E43 together, making that colour. Didn't really like it.